If you're tired of spending thousands of naira trying to get your nails done in this economy, then you should watch this video from beginning to end. So I have had lots of issues making my nails at nail salons because they do not take care of very sensitive nails, and I got a lot of cracks in between my nails. Hence I decided to take up the challenge to get my nails done myself. So I am doing acrylic nails by myself today. You're going to need a nail cutter, Cuticle Remover, Antifungal Nail Treatment Solution. This is very good. You could also use this as well. Cuticle Softener Solution. This will help soften your cuticle. 2 packs of ballerina nail sets. Some all-purpose super glue. A nail file. A pair of tweezers, small size. And another pair of tweezers in the large size. A pair of scissors. Some paper towels, a piece of cleaning cloth, a very good sunscreen lotion, some good quality press-on tabs. You're going to need the complete set. Gel base coat, gel top coat, any gel polish color of your choice. So I prefer red and nude colors. This is my personal preference. Some cotton buds. Please arrange your nails in this order from the top to the bottom of numbers. You're going to need some UV sun lamp to dry the nails. First of all, we'll start by treating my nails. I already did this before, but I wanted to do it again for the sake of this video. So you apply this to all parts of your nails. All your nails will get a coating of this, and then we'll go in with the cuticle remover. So with this cuticle remover, I am going to use the cotton bud to apply it to my cuticles at the edges of my nails. So I'm also going to massage my nails just to make it softer, and then I would use the cuticle remover to take out the excess cuticles that had built up. You're going to want to do this with some extreme care, as your cuticles will become extremely soft after applying the softener. Next, I'm going to go in with a nail file to file my nails a bit, not to file the edges. Just to sharpen the tips of the nails to allow the bonding. This helps any glue or sticker or tab to bond properly with your nails. I'm using the cuticle remover again just to take out some parts of the cuticles that didn't come out properly before my nails were filed. I'm taking the nail cutter now just to clip off the excess nails and some skin that can't be taken out with the cuticle remover. To make my work a lot easier, I had to sort all these nails out according to their numbers. So each of these nails usually come with numbers. So you number them from 0 to I think about 8 or so. Then as you've done this numbering, you just have to measure out which of the nails you're going to go with for each of your fingers and set them apart. So I did this in case someone who wants a short nail that is not thick, this is what they can literally do. Just clip off the nails and file it and then color it. But that's not what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to start by marking out which of the nails will fit each of my fingers. I wanted to share the numbers that I used for my fingernails, but then I realized that all fingers are not equal. For each fingernail, you're going to need 2 numbers. So if I used 0 for my thumb, you would need 2 zeros. And then you're going to have to glue these 2 zeros together to get your acrylic nail form. That's a very thick nail, okay? you may not want to do this. If you just like very light nails, just go ahead and skip this step. But if you want your nails to be thick and you don't know how to apply the acrylic powder and solvent, then you're going to want to do this. The Superglue glues very fast, so make sure that you have the nails ready, and then once you apply the glue, you just stick them on instantly. Sometimes it's near impossible to find your exact fit, so you're going to have to just file the edges of the nails. You're going to use a tweezer to pick and apply the press-on tabs to your nails. Go ahead and pick the particular nail that matches and then hold it down and press it. You have to do this. You have to press it on. That's why it's a press on, okay, to keep it secure. If you've gotten to this step, you're doing very well. Keep going. Notice how I use the tweezer to remove the cover of this press-on tabs. This is very important. You don't want your fingerprints or anything on that surface at all. If you love extremely long nails, then you're done. You don't have to cut. You just need to just keep going. But then if you don't, then you're going to need your scissors to trim and cut the nails to the size that you want. Because we have cut, we will have to file the nails. I will recommend you file the nails to the angle 60 degrees. If you don't know how to do this, just angle your file towards and away from yourself while you're doing this. It's more like taking the shape of the nail, right? You don't want to lose the shape of this nail, and that's if you're going for this particular shape. So don't forget to also file the inner corner of the nails as much as you file the outer corner, because for every time you file and cut, you leave sharp edges on your nails. It's a very important step. You're going to need some sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen, because we're using a sun lamp for this. So you apply the sunscreen very generously and make sure that, it's all over your skin. Then you're going to go in with the base coat. Apply the base coat to all the nails. Make sure that there's no base coat on your skin. Make sure to take out any excess base coat on your skin and then put your nails into the sun lamp to dry. At first, I had dried this for 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. But then when my nails came out, it was still very sticky, so I had to put it back in and dry for another 60 seconds. So a total of 3 minutes is what we need to dry the base coat. So at this point, you're going to apply the gel polish, the color of your choice. So here we're using red. So apply this generously the same way you applied the base coat, in forward strokes, not side strokes, just forward strokes, okay? Using your other hand, wipe out any excess gel polish at the tip of your nail. So you repeat all these steps until you're done polishing. Again, we'll put our nails back into the lamp for 3 minutes to dry. So we're done with the left hand. What do you guys think? You think this is as nice as they would do it in the salon? And make sure it's not sticky, okay? Otherwise, we'll ruin everything. If it's sticky, put it back. So this is another way you can get your nails done. So instead of fixing the nails first, we cut each of the nails to shape. I've already used the nails on my left hand to mark out these other nails that I had glued, and I am cutting them so that I can have the exact length, okay? So keep doing this until you're done with all the nails and it's all ready. So what do we do after cutting? The next thing is to file. So you have to file the edges of the nails to make sure that everything is exactly as you want it to be. Because I'm right-handed, I decided to just apply all the press-on tabs first. So you can see me measuring out or marking out which press-on tab fits for which nail, and then I pick it out with a tweezer and I apply it on my fingernails, and I just keep it there and I don't apply any nails just yet. So it's time to apply my nails to the press-on tabs. So just like I explained earlier, you would place it on the tab and press it. Keep in mind I already have nails on, so because I don't want to mess up my nails, I am going to have to file each of these nails individually. So I used my tweezer to pick up the nail that I wanted to file, and then I started filing it with the tweezer, just so I do not mess up the nails on my other hand. And as usual, I would apply it to the press-on tab, and look at how beautiful it's looking already. So I'm wiping out the nails to just have a smooth surface before I can apply the base coat. At this point, we'll repeat exactly what we did on the left hand for the right hand, and we'll get the same result if you do the exact same thing. So what do you guys think? Do you think we did well? Are you going to try this? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.